If you're wondering how to remove Powered by GetResponse from your emails, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned, because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it in just a couple of steps. Plus, at the end, I'll share a powerful alternative that might be a better option for your email marketing needs, especially if you're aiming for more customization and a better user experience. First off, let's talk about GetResponse. It's a solid email marketing tool, no doubt. But one thing that can annoy some users is the Powered by GetResponse footer that gets added to your emails. If you're trying to make your brand look more professional, that little footer can be a bit of an eyesore. The good news? You can remove it. Next thing, let's dive into the steps. First, log into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, head over to the Email Marketing tab. From there, you'll find the option to create a new email campaign or edit an existing one. When you're in the email editor, look for the Footer section. This is where you'll typically see that Powered by GetResponse text. Now, the fourth thing is to check if you're on one of GetResponse's paid plans. Here's the thing, if you're using their free plan, they may not give you the option to remove the footer. It's a way they promote their service. But if you're on a paid plan, removing it is pretty straightforward. Simply look for the Remove GetResponse branding option and toggle it off. You're done. The footer should be gone from your email templates. Next thing, for those of you on the free plan, there are workarounds, but they're not ideal. One common method people use is creating a custom footer with your branding to replace the default one. It's not as seamless as just toggling off the branding, but it gets the job done. So now you know how to remove the Powered by GetResponse footer, whether you're on a paid plan or using a workaround on the free one. But here's the thing, GetResponse might not be the best option for everyone. If you're serious about email marketing and want more customization, there are other tools out there that give you full control over your branding and offer more flexibility in the long run. Let's talk about alternatives. One standout option is MailerLite. Not only does it allow you to remove all branding without any restrictions, but it also offers a smoother user experience and excellent customer support. And the best part? They offer a free trial with all the features you need to get started right away. Finally, I want to let you know that we've partnered with MailerLite to offer an exclusive extended free trial for our viewers. This trial comes with some amazing benefits that you won't find anywhere else. You can get started right now through the link in the description below. So, in summary, while GetResponse offers a solid service, MailerLite might be the better choice if you're looking to truly remove branding, have a more intuitive platform, and still access a great free trial. Click that link, and you'll get the best free trial available, exclusive only to you.